Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 21 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.2, question number 9, 7. Cos inverse 1 minus 9 e raised to x upon 1 plus 9 e raised to x. Okay. Now, solution, let y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus 9 raised to x upon 1 plus 9 raised to x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus 3 2 raised to x upon 1 plus 3 2 raised 1 plus 3 raised to 2x. Okay, so I make square here. Put 3 raised to x is equal to tan theta, and therefore tan inverse 3 raised to x is equal to theta. Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta, and hence y is equal to 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to 2 into tan inverse 3 raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to 2 d dx tan inverse 3 raised to x is equal to 2. Derivative of tan inverse is equal to 1 plus 3 raised to x square and derivative of 3 raised to x. So is equal to 2 upon 1 plus 9 e raised to x into e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x log 3, and therefore dy dx is equal to 2 into 3 raised to x into log 3 upon 1 plus 9 raised to x. Okay. Question number 8. Sine inverse 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Okay, now this you simplify. Let y is equal to sine inverse 4 raised to x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Sine inverse is equal to, now here I use law of what indices. So 2, this is a 4, therefore 2 square into x plus 1 upon 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 2x raised to 2. Okay. Now therefore sine inverse 2, this I simplify, 2x plus 1, 2 raised to 2x plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 2x square. And therefore sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse 2 indices 2 into 2 raised to 2x upon 1 plus 2 raised to x 2x upon and square. Put 2 raised to 2x is equal to tan theta, and therefore tan inverse 2 raised to 2x is equal to theta. Y is equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to 2 theta, and therefore y is equal to 2 tan inverse 2 raised to 2x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to 2. Derivative of tan inverse 2 raised to 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to 2x square d dx of 2 raised to 2x is equal to 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x into derivative of this is equal to 2 raised to 2x log 2 and derivative of 2x is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore dy dx is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 2x into log 2 square upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 2x, this is log 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x and is equal to 2 raised to 2 into this is, so I make 4 raised to x log 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Okay. Question number 9. Sin inverse 1 minus 25x square upon 1 plus 25x square. Let y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus 25x square upon 1 plus 25x square is equal to sin inverse 1 minus 5x square upon 1 plus 5x square. Put 5x is equal to tan theta and therefore tan inverse 5x is equal to theta. And now therefore y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin inverse cos 2 theta sin inverse sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta and therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta and is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse 5x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx pi by 2 minus 2 d dx tan inverse 5x. So derivative of this is 0 minus 2 and derivative of tan inverse is equal to 1 upon 5x square d dx of 5x. So is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus 25x square into 5 and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 10 upon 1 plus 25x square. Okay. Question number 10. Sin inverse 1 minus x cube upon 1 plus x cube. Let y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x cube upon 1 plus x cube is equal to sin inverse 1 minus, so anyhow I want square here, so I make square in this way, x raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 2 upon 1 plus x raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 2. So put x raised to 3 upon 2 is equal to tan theta. So tan inverse x raised to 3 upon 2 is equal to theta and therefore y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin inverse cos 2 theta and therefore y is equal to sin inverse sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta and is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta and therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x raised to 3 upon 2. Differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx pi by 2 minus 2 d dx tan inverse x raised to 3 upon 2. So is equal to 0 minus 2 upon derivative of tan 1 plus x raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 2 square and d dx of x raised to 3 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 1 plus x square x cube into derivative of this is equal to 3 upon 2 root x. So therefore dy dx is equal to minus This 2 and this 2 get cancelled, minus 3 root x upon 1 plus x cube. Okay, go through this example again so that you understand. Question number 11. Tan inverse 2x raised to 5 upon 2 upon 1 minus x raised to 5. Okay. So let y is equal to tan inverse 2x raised to 5 upon 2 upon 1 minus x raised to 5 upon 2 square. Put x raised to 5 upon 2 is equal to tan theta, and therefore tan inverse x raised to 5 upon 2 is equal to theta. Y is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta and is equal to 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x raised to 5 upon 2 differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to 2. Derivative of tan inverse x raised to 5 upon 2 is equal to 2. 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 5 upon 2 square, and derivative of x raised to 5 upon 2. So is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x raised to 5 into derivative of this 5 upon 2 x raised to 3 upon 2, and hence this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. 5 x raised to 3 upon 2 upon 1 plus x raised to 5. And therefore answer you write down in this way: 5x root x upon 1 plus x raised to 5. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.